Hey there, Candoers. Today we're going to take a look at how to add Candu to your Webflow app. To get started, you'll want to open up the Webflow app and any piece of content that you want to install here. So I'm planning on installing this piece of content that's just a newsletter announcement bar that I want to add to our product page. The first thing that you'll do is go into Settings and open up this Embed tab that I was looking at before over here on the left. All you need to do is just copy this code snippet. Everything's been filled in for you, and go into Webflow on the page where you want to install the Candu content. So here I'm on my product page, and the first thing I want to do is actually add that code snippet that I just copied to the page itself. So in order to do that, I'll click up here in this upper left on my page product, and when the menu opens, I'll open the gear icon on the page. So edit page settings. And then I need to scroll all the way down until it gives me the option to insert code in the head of the site. It's pretty far down in the custom code section. So I paste the code right here. You'll see my script tag, the newsletter announcement, Candu mount. These are all important pieces of content that are in here. And all you need to do is hit save. Now we need to add that selector Candu mount somewhere on the page to let Webflow know exactly where we want that content to publish. The nice thing about Webflow is that this is actually really easy. So we can just add elements here. And I think it's best to just do it with an empty section. So you can just drag that onto the page. I'm going to place it down right here, drop it. Once it's highlighted, if you go over here, you'll probably have this style menu highlighted by default. But if you go over to the section settings with this gear icon in the upper right, you can open that and you just need to assign the ID right here, Candu mount. And that's how we tell Candu that this is where that content should get published. Once you're done with both of those things, you'll go and publish your project. Candu content won't show up in this previewed mode of Webflow, which is important to know. So you'll hit publish to your selected domains. And then a couple of things to note are that you need to make sure that the content is published in Candu as well. So if you go over to the content section, make sure that this button is gray and says published. If it's a teal color, you need to hit the publish button before content will go live. And the other thing that's really important to note is that you need to whitelist your site before you can go live with the content. So in order to do that, go into settings in Candu, and in the workspace details, you'll just go whitelisted domain. So I've whitelisted a bunch of the different test sites in Webflow so that I can try this out. As you can see here, you can use your wildcard settings to publish content. Just make sure that you have this set up, otherwise content won't show up on your page. And now that it's saved in Webflow, we can reopen this publish icon and open our page here and take a look at how the content looks. So if we're in the product page and we scroll down to where we added Candu, see as the page loads, we now have this Candu element of our newsletter sign-up form. It's really that easy. It's just a couple of steps. Let us know if you have any trouble. Try it out and let us know what you think. Thanks so much.